I just wanted to take a second to thank the team of technical pioneers for helping me build my website. Not only they did it from scratch with very little guidance, but also whenever I wanted to change something, modify something anywhere across the website, they would do it very quickly and very effectively. Special thanks to Kashif Mahmoud, who's been my point of contact and has been leading this project. So yeah, 100% recommend their services.
Just want to thank technical pioneers and a special thanks to Kashif Mahmoud for his assistance with everything. What a pleasure it is to be working with them. Built out my whole website and actually keep on exceeding my expectations. What a wonderful, wonderful job. Very patient, very professional, and very prompt. Thank you so much. We'll be talking soon.
Just wanted to give a huge thank you to pioneerstrikes.com, who took care of the booking system on my website, built that thing up from scratch, did a great job, didn't stop till I was 100% satisfied. Special thanks to Kashif Mahmoud, who I was in contact with. Great guys, very friendly. Anything I want to change, they took care of it right away. I'm happy I chose them, and I definitely recommend them to anybody who has any WordPress work to do.